You knew. I remember meeting you once before you were sheriff. You questioned me about a body. You knew something was up. You just weren't ready to believe it.
You're right. There was a night 8 years ago. The night my wife died. I was at the end of a shift, and a call came in. There'd been a pileup and a young woman, she was a teenager, actually. She was trapped under an overturned car. We had to wait for the paramedics. We were never getting her out. But I was able to hold her hand. She knew she was gonna die. But I just kept telling her, no, listen. Paramedics are on their way. And then I remember her hand suddenly gripped mine so tightly that
Okay, young male victim, possible vertebrae break.
I literally thought she was gonna break the bones. And then she looked me in the eye and she said,
Got him. Yep.
if you want to be with her, go
Conscious when he's
now.
alive. All right, let's move him.
Okay. My mom's
And I knew she was talking about my wife. Then that other part of my brain, the part that looks for clues, for fingerprints, for logical connections, that part told me that there is no way that this girl could possibly know about Claudia. And so I stayed. I stayed until the paramedics pulled her out.
He's still breathing.
Until her heart stopped beating. And they declared her dead. When I finally got to the hospital, Styles was with Claudia when she died. But I wasn't.
We have to go back.
I wasn't with it because I didn't believe. I just did not believe.